Good night. I am Juan Espinosa. Greetings, this is my new house. The new house is bigger than the previous one, has an extra bedroom for my girl. It has 4 rooms and a very big kitchen on the second floor. There are the rooms. Everything is very nice in the house and there is a lot of space for our things. About my day. In the mornings, I wake up at 5 a.m. Then I take a shower and I get dressed. Then I have breakfast with the family at 7 a.m. I watch the news on the newspaper and then I go to work at 8 a.m. I work until 5 p.m. I return home at 6 p.m. Then at home I watch TV and I prepare dinner with my family. Then I play with my children and then I watch the news online. I go to sleep at 10 p.m. The city is big, just many places to visit, just beautiful parks, and many shops and shopping centers where we will buy things for us. On weekends, we go to the mall, which is very large and just many stores. It also has some cinemas and good restaurants. Thank you.